Across the globe, freshwater ecosystems mitigate climate change, support economies, and underpin sustainable development for billions of people. However, human development, widespread mismanagement, and a failure to recognize their true value has destroyed many freshwater ecosystems and pushed others to the brink of collapse. 80% of the world's wetlands have already disappeared, and at least 1 in 5 river basins are experiencing dramatic changes in available surface water. A continuation of this trend will see an increase in climate volatility, food insecurity, and greater migration as people flee areas of water scarcity. To ensure their survival and our own, we need to restore our degraded lakes, rivers, wetlands and aquifers and protect these essential resources in a way that balances economic, social and environmental demands, enabling them to serve both people and the planet far into the future. There has been some progress towards the UN's Sustainable Development Goal 6 of clean water and sanitation for all, but there is an urgent need for all countries to do more. If we are to maintain good quality water in sufficient quantity to meet both current and future demands, then we must act now to protect and restore our ecosystems worldwide.